go. Not bad. That's my first hit of the day. It looks like it's one of those melanistic bass too. It's got the dark spots all over it. Interesting. Let's see if I can get this one left-handed. There we go. Let's get us out of the bush. Getting the pliers. All right. Not too shabby for the first hit of the day. So let's see what else we can catch while we're out here. It's hard to believe the wind I paddled out in is about a quarter mile away from us, and this is what we're sitting in now, dead calm, and catching these. Nice.